Hi, hello, welcome, and thank you for supporting us by buying this STEM kit video. Right now I'm going to show you guys how to make the plants. First what you're gonna need is a Ziploc bag, a paper towel, some pinto beans, and a bit of water. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your beans, just a few of them. And then you're gonna put your paper towel inside of your Ziploc bag. I would fold it into fourths, and then you're gonna put a little bit of water in there, just enough so that the paper towel can soak it up. And with that, I'm going to open kind of this section and put some beans in there and make sure they get wet. Spread them out evenly. And I will keep them in there. I'm gonna put them in a sunny location, and then I'm just gonna let them grow. So right now, as you can see how my plants have grown little by little every single day. And I moved them to the dirt, but you can keep them in the container as they grow. And once they outgrow their roots, or the roots outgrow their pot, you can move them to soil. And yeah. Again, thank you for supporting us, and I hope you enjoy that tutorial, and good luck on your adventures of raising plants. I've been Valeria.